Bismillah Rahman Rahim. Welcome to the video session of Cantab Publisher, the leaders of One Curriculum, One Nation. The resources you need: the English textbook for CSS Class 2, Unit number 2, Our Hero. Lecture number 1, Recognize the common and singular naming words. We have done it. We have also done lecture number 2, Identify and change the number of simple naming words by adding S and ES. And today we are going to discuss lecture number 3, which says Identify and classify gender of naming words from immediate environment, masculine, feminine. To study this SLO, you need textbook page 13, workbook page 10, and summer pack page 12 and 13. Lecture number 3, SLO. Identify and classify gender of naming words from immediate environment, masculine and feminine. You need to open your textbook page number 13. Please have it open in front of you. Please remember, masculine. The word masculine is given to names which are describing male or man. Feminine is the word which shows female or lady word. So the question on page number 5 says, write the feminine of the given gender. The first word is brother. So the female of brother is sister. Grandmother. This word here is a typing mistake. This should be father, and the feminine is grandmother. Servant, maid servant. Sir, madam. Cock, hen. Prince, princess. King, queen. Please move on to your workbook page number 10 and circle part 8, 9 and 10. The masculine of Watson is fox. The feminine of the word horse is mare. The masculine of niece is nephew. Female, animal, male animal. Male animal, female animal. Female person, male person. Now let's look at the summer pack. Identify and classify gender naming words from the immediate environment. You need to have page number 12 and 13 in front of you. This is page number 12 and this is page number 13. Circle question number 6, 7, 8 and make a star on the activity. As a home task, you have to pick the feminine word, the female word or the lady word out of the given options. Identify the masculine of tigress out of the 3 given options. Find the feminine word from the following. Queen is walking in the garden. select the right option, the right female word from the given options and circle it. And the activity for you says go to the zoo and classify the animals into two categories, masculine and feminine. If you cannot go to the zoo somehow, then at least you can look at the dictionary or in some magazine or newspaper and select the male animals and write them down here, and the female of those animals. You can also take help from an adult at home to use Google or dictionary so that you are able to complete this activity, and there will be so many new words in your vocabulary. So let's have a recap of the lecture. Identify and classify gender naming words from the immediate environment. A recap of the lecture. What are masculine and feminine nouns? Masculine nouns are words for men, boys and male animals. Feminine nouns are words for women, girls and female animals. Now as a task, home task, I want you to read page number 9 and try to find masculine and feminine words, and you can circle them. For example, while I read this paragraph, I can find the word son here. It's a masculine word used for boys. So you need to read on further and try to find and circle the words which are either masculine or feminine on page number 9. I repeat again, please read page number 9 of your textbook and try to find the masculine and feminine words from this unit and circle them and see how many masculine and feminine words you can find from page number 9. Thank you very much. I hope we have learned together. It was nice to be with you. See you soon. Take care and don't forget to do your homework. Allah Hafiz.